This is not for us, okay? This is not for people of color skin. This is not for black people's skin, okay? This is more for Caucasian skin. Unfortunately, this lady ended up getting 2nd and 3rd degree burns. She actually went into shock and had to go to the hospital because of this treatment. Now, this is why I tell you guys to be very cautious with who you go to, because not all estheticians or all dermatologists are specializing in hyperpigmentation or in melasma, right? So you want to make sure that when you're going to a practitioner, that person is not a esthetician or a derm that does everything, but that actually works specifically with those two conditions that you might have, if it's acne or if it's, you know, or hyperpigmentation, so that this doesn't happen. Because this person that she went to told her that this would not happen to her face, and she trusted her, and as you can see, this happened. You also want to make sure that when things like this happen, is that person able to treat your skin to recover this? Research who you go to and make sure to be smart and not do laser treatments.